guys are going to love this Jeep. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to our channel, and today we have something special to show you. We are here again at Carnage Motorsport in Miami, and today we're going to be showing you this amazing Jeep. First of all, let me say that this Jeep is totally built, and you can follow him as the Blue Waffle JKU on Instagram so you can see more videos and photos of this crazy Jeep. And the most impressive thing about this Jeep is the engine. This thing have a 392 engine, which is a 6.4 liters. And the crazy thing about this is that it also have a ripped supercharger, and this thing is pumping out 700 horsepower. And I know guys, 700 is a lot, and I wish I could have half of the power of this Jeep on my Jeep, because that would be very fun. And let me just show you this Jeep in action. Hey, if you're still here watching us, please consider subscribing. We're always uploading very nice Jeep videos that I'm sure you guys are going to love. And now let's go back to the walk around. So this Jeep have been built from the ground up, starting from the axles. It have 1-ton Dana 60 axles, PSC steerings, and all the bars are from Synergy. I'm talking about tie rods, drag link, and track bar, all from Synergy. The front bumper is a poison spotter brother light. It also have a Warn Scion winch and a factor 55 flat link. Regular headlights, and you can buy them at Amazon or eBay, and let me tell you guys, this Jeep looks amazing. As you can see, JCR inner fenders and king coilovers, and these are actually the Rebel off-road kit. The owner of this Jeep did an amazing job. It have rock crawler long arms, and I love how he power coated everything in blue so it can match the color of this Jeep. Look at that road slider guys, I love it. The tires on this Jeep are Peeble Rockers 41.5 on 17-inch bedlock wheels. On the rear, it also have anti-rock sway bars, and these are actually the same sway bars that I'm running on my Jeep, and they're amazing. And of course, a poison spider rear bumper matching the front bumper, and I like how it looks without any tire carrier. For me, it looks cleaner. And guys, let me know what do you think about this amazing Jeep. Now this Jeep on the rear also have king coilovers, bigger brakes, Dana 60 axles matching the front of course. And they're working on it right now, as you can see. And this Jeep is basically ready to go anywhere and to conquer any trails. And right now they're getting it ready for a show called Truck Night America, and I think this Jeep is going to be one of the best Jeep there. And now let's jump to the interior, because it also have some amazing accessories on the interior. As you can see, poison spider cage, and this is matching everything on the exterior. Alpine radio or sound system, however you want to call it. And look at these seats guys, don't they just look amazing? Let me know in the comments below if you like these seats. And again guys, you can follow him on Instagram at the Blue Waffle JKU. And now let me show you the rear side of this Jeep so you can see the rear seats. And look at this guys. This black bar is part of the poison spider cage. And look at the rear seats. They just look amazing. JL audio of course, because you gotta have some good music on this beast, of course. This is an awesome Jeep guys. And now I'm going to be showing you how this thing sounds. Yeah guys, 700 horsepower. Well guys, I hope you really like this video, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe because we have many more videos like this coming. As always, see you in the next one.